Sadly, I've been in a car crash. Fortunately, I wasn't injured at the beginning, but I had some few health issues after the accident. Basically, some muscle pulls in the back, and I didn't know at first what problem I had. I went to different doctors, and yeah, even if my car was repaired with the insurance, so I paid €0 for that. I paid over €5,000 for checking my health, going to do some exercises, going to Turkey to see what I have, what's my diagnostic. My diagnostic is pretty easy, but it was very complicated to get, to recognize. And I'm finally almost done with it after 1 year and 3 months. I had a car crash with my Toyota Camry in 2023 in December 1st, which, by the way, December 1st is National Day in Romania. I was with a friend in the city, and somebody from behind smashed me in the back on the left side. He broke his front wheel. I broke my rear left wheel. I was staying like this. He was coming like this. And at the last moment, he steered to the left, and his right wheel ended in my left rear wheel. We got wheel on wheel. So no body deformations whatsoever, but I got all the shock. He smashed me with about 50 kilometers per hour or around 30 miles per hour. So not very fast, but a pretty bad shock. I was playing on my phone. I was texting on my phone. I had my seatbelt fastened. I've seen him in the last moment in my left view mirror, and I took a accident position, like I was preparing for the impact, like in the last second. And the car called SOS. Ambulance, firefighters, police all came at the accident. Nothing bad happened right then. But afterwards, after like 3 weeks, I had this muscular condition that I'm talking about, which is called, at the beginning I thought I have piriformis syndrome, but later on I discovered that I have lower cross syndrome. Basically a weakness in the core and at the glutes. I have to work out a lot, these muscles, so I have to relieve that weakness. But those muscles were weak, so other muscles were compensating for my weakness. And at some point I had sciatica. My sciatic nerve was compressed, and I have some numbness in my foot. And at the beginning, some doctors thought that I have a herniated disc. So it was a lot of stress for me last year. But now that I finally got the diagnostic correct, I started to work out to fix the problem. I'm almost done. The symptoms are almost gone. I'm feeling better, and I'm glad that it wasn't worse. To be honest, the friend that I'm talking about, who was with me in the car before the accident, I'm glad that we took our wives home. My daughter is now almost 5 years old. His wife was pregnant. We were in the city. We left the lady's home, and right after that, the accident happened, like after 10 minutes or so. Because I don't know what would have happened if she experienced the impact, which was very violent for an adult. For a pregnant lady, I don't know how things would have evolved, to be honest. So it was the fault of the driver. He wasn't paying attention. I was staying standstill. I repaired the car at the Toyota dealer using insurance. I wasn't mad on the driver. It was like an error, a driving error. He didn't want to do it on purpose. He apologized. He was sorry. He didn't believe what he's done. So I could not be that mad on. He wasn't drunk. He wasn't drugged. He was okay. So I couldn't be mad at him. We've done the documents. I repaired the car. Everything was fine. And eventually, after like 8 months after the accident, I decided to sell the car. 40% the reason being the accident, but 60% of the main reason was because I wanted to do something else with the money from the car. So maybe if it wasn't damaged, maybe I would have had the car today. But because it was damaged, I needed some money, I had some business ideas, I preferred to sell it, and voila, now I have a Yaris. And I'm planning to get a brand new Toyota, maybe this year, but latest next year, which will be a Hilux. I want to do some cool new things. I will use it for personal stuff. I will go to the mountains. I have a lot of things to do with that car, so I want a Hilux GR. So stay tuned for new updates. And this is my story with my accidents. You have the photos with the car in detail. The damage was, if I didn't tell you already, around 8,000 euros. And the current owner is very happy with the car, especially because the car, even if it was damaged, it was repaired very, very great at a Toyota dealer with brand new original Toyota parts, and everything is fine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next episode.